Hello all, I'm Ruchi Rawat, Principal, Manchester Global School. Just a small brief about myself. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I did my graduation and post-graduation from Delhi University. Maths was my subject. I did my BEd also from Delhi University. After that, I got the honor to work with DAV Group, Amity Group. Here in Hyderabad, I worked with Candidus and I was part of Narayana Premium CBSE chain plan as well. After that, I joined Manchester. Our whole journey at Manchester is challenging as well as interesting because we are looking at creating an environment which is joyful. Now, when I talk about an environment, I truly believe that environment is a third teacher. So we make sure that we have beautiful learning spaces where the child feels safe, secure, self-motivated and self-evaluated as well. In the classrooms, we have various practices. For example, we have inquiry-based discussions where the child's curiosity is being driven. The teacher gives prompts and she works as a mentor to the child. The classrooms have open-ended questions where the child can ask as many questions as they are, making sure that their creativity is nurtured. At Manchester, we have specially designed studios, art ateliers and dance and music labs where our students plan, practice and come up with their own performances. What kind of assessment we have at Manchester? At Manchester, we have two types of assessment. Assessment for learning and assessment of learning. So when I talk about assessment for learning, we have diagnostic assessment wherein we try to check how the child performs or what is her level or his level before a topic starts. We try to give him worksheets, we can have open-ended questions, we can have quizzes just to understand a child's level. After that, during the whole course of time when the child is studying a particular topic, we have formative assessments. Again, it could be in a form of project, it could be in a form of survey. We have various methods. Moving forward, the second type is assessment of learning, wherein we make sure that it's a summative assessment which is taken at the end of term and end of the year. During the summative assessment, we try to put as many competency-based questions just to make sure that it is not a rote memorization but a conceptual understanding of the child. So when we talk about these things like assessment, joyful learning, we understand that teaching practices plays a very important role. Here at Manchester, we value our teachers and we make sure that there is a regular teacher training happening in the campus for the teachers. Currently, our teachers have just finished a training on visible thinking routine by Project Harvard Zero. We also have run training on making lesson plans using ChatGPT, which really helps our teachers to come up with creative lesson plans, which includes games, activities and stories, just to make sure that the child is involved. Active learning plays a very important role. In Manchester, we make sure that we have hands-on activities and experiential-based learning so that the child has a grip on the deep learning as well. Since CBSE emphasizes on a well-structured curriculum, we try to weave around our curricular and co-curricular activities around it. When I talk about co-curricular, we have a beautiful state-of-the-art infrastructure which has a lot of sports activities present. We have labs and everything which a child can think of. We have beautiful innovation and technology labs as well in our campus.